Hello, good morning. Today I have a pleasure to introduce you to a new property, and this time I'm going to introduce you to a beautiful townhouse located in the main heart of La Zenia. So please come with me and let me show you. Just after the entrance door, we have this easy maintenance front yard. Also, you have some Mediterranean trees, such as a banana tree. You have a khaki persimmon tree and a nispero tree as well. Also, the front yard provides you with the access, so you can really park your car on plots. But normally you have plenty of off-road parking spaces, so you can really use this terrace for barbecue or to enjoy it simply with your family. So now I'm going to show you the inside, so please come with me. Wow, this is simply amazing. We are right now here in the living room, shared with the dining room. I have to say that the property has been recently renovated by the owner to a very high standard. He just used the very best materials for this property. On the ground floor, just after the entrance door, as I said, we have the living room, dining area. We have an open plan American kitchen equipped with all the necessary appliances. We have a downstairs bathroom for guests. And we have an utility area where the boiler and the washing machine is located. And now please follow me and I will show you the upstairs, the first floor, where the bedrooms are located. Come with me. Right, here we are in the main bathroom. As you can see already, everything has been renovated to a very high standard. Also, the bathroom is equipped with underfloor heating. Right, we are now here in the second bedroom. This is the guest bedroom. Also, that one has been renovated with new doors, fitted in wardrobes. Also, the wardrobes have been renovated. Further to my front, we have the main bedroom with direct access to a terrace. Right, here we are on the terrace from the property. And I will just explain you a little bit about the area where we are. At the front, we have the Zenia Boulevard, which is probably about 10 minutes walking distance from the property. And to my back, we have the Zenia Beach. Actually, you can see the hotel right now. Right, I'm sitting here in the communal area. The complex also offers a community pool for all residents or future house owners. If you like the video, please remember, click on the subscribe button below, put the thumbs up so we can create more social media content. Thank you, see you next time, bye!